I'm going to click by using my left mouse button and I'm going to align it. Kind of. Oh god. It's a bit of a struggle here, but don't worry. Now it's aligned. That's all. So on the same side, I'm shortening this also up. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this code here. Sorry. This one. Press Ctrl C. Then go here. Then just drag something here. And I'm going to copy word wrap. Yes. So make sure the code. How to preview? No, just before that I'm going to go here. I will do one thing. Hands, I need this hand, and we'll just try something to change the color or something like that. We'll just change the color here. I like some kind of milder colors. Just see how it is going to be. Just a trial and error. Oh. No, I cannot use this. So I'll go once again and I'll just change it. Okay. Make sure it's white. Now let us preview the scene here one more time. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. By Albert Einstein. I think it went well, right? So the first quote is also completed. So this scene also is completed. Okay, we'll just mark some things in yellow. So next will be a little bit difficult, but we'll keep just moving forward. So let's preview it fully right now. 3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. Quotes are sayings from great persons that give a meaning to life. Listening to some quotes motivate us to move forward even when we are sad and depressed. In this video, you will see my 3 best quotes that push me ahead when I want to move forward in my life. How to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. By Albert Einstein. Okay, it's kind of really good. So but what we do is I'm gonna just extend this quote's length to 3 seconds. Comes to 2.9 seconds and it's fine, right? So I told you these are the small bugs in Doontly where you'll have to take care. Okay, now it's fine. So I'll just go here and kind of press save. So if you want to change the color of this thing, so don't worry, we'll just go here, we'll just put it up in yellow or red, just to differentiate. Okay, I think should be fine. Now what we're going to do is we'll go here and we'll just go to scene settings and make sure this transition is to the right. So I'll just click here. Now let's preview from the beginning. 3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. Quotes are sayings from great persons that give a meaning to life. Listening to some quotes motivate us to move forward even when we are sad and depressed. In this video, you will see my 3 best quotes that push me ahead when I want to move forward in my life. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. By Albert Einstein. So pretty good, right? Our video is just getting spruced up. So we are almost, I think we are like 25 seconds. Okay. Now, just catch you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye.